How to apply for an agency here on Heyoo. So hey guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to apply an agency here on Heyoo. So all we need to do right now is open up our Heyoo right here. Once you open up our Heyoo right here on the app itself, click on the bottom right corner and then you'll be located right here to where I am right here. So after clicking on the icon on the bottom right corner, all we need to do is go down till you see wait it's oh yeah, I forgot. So the agency, oopsie, so the agency is right over here, and it's, I think it's, oh yeah, it's activities. Once you're here at activities right here, you will see agency recruitment right there on the second one. Find that agency recruitment, press on that right there. After pressing that right there, here are all the details. This website is not licensed by the business. Many users have reported scams, fake gifts, and lots of blah blah blah. There you go, as you can see. Then click on more. There you go, as you can see. So yeah, there you go. For safety, please use the PADCO approval website listed below. There you go. There you go. We can use like any of those agencies right there. So once we've chosen one, for example, you're gonna choose I don't know, the first one ever. Here's 789 right there. After pressing on that right there, there you go. Now we can do a register right here to the agency. Agree all, and then choose right here account, and then just choose the agency and then just apply for it. So yeah, there you go, so do it. Hope you guys do. If you have a question, step the question, but guys, up to us as soon as possible here at the rocket end. Thank you guys.